Hello friends, my name is Vikas.
So friends, we have an app by the name Cloud, which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded and logged in through your Gmail ID, you will be transferred to this page. And you can see here various all courses and various other sections provided to us. The courses that are provided by our team are very helpful and they will be very useful in your preparation. In the courses that we provide, we give you daily current affairs, weekly current affairs and monthly current affairs. In daily current affairs, we will be providing you with multiple quiz of 20 questions daily. Then we'll be giving you the daily current affairs content also. Similarly for weekly, we will providing you 50 questions of quiz on weekly basis, as well as all the important current affairs of that week will be given to you in an ebook. Similarly for monthly basis. Apart from this, we'll be providing you with banking awareness and all the banking relating exams. So don't worry, your preparation is in our hands. We'll be providing you with the best content. Apart from this, then you should know we've covered topic wise. Important daily topic wise or the monthly topic wise are covered in our course. We'll give you 20 types of such PDFs that will cover apps and web portals, important days, books and authors, national affairs, international affairs, sports, awards, applications and web portals, and defense sector. All the topics that you see of general studies are basically covered here. As you saw, we provide current affairs in English, Hindi, banking awareness, exam PDF, special current affairs, topic wise current affairs are provided to you, state current affairs, then topic wise quizzes are provided to you. There is another section in special current affairs that is learn from picture, and we have named this infographics. Infographics are your interactive PDFs that you can interact with. They are highly informative. I highly suggest you to go and check these out because they will be helping you to learn things in an interactive way. So do check them out. They will be very valuable to you. All you have to do is to purchase our course. You can use code Vikas10 that will be giving you an additional 10% discount on the purchase you make. So it is a bumper offer. All you have to do is go and download our app and check our courses. So friends, we'll start with the session. So friends, in this video we will be talking about One Ocean Summit, highly important summit that took place to save our environment and ocean. Let's start. The One Ocean Summit took place in Brest. Now you will be asking, where is Brest? Brest is located in Brittany, France. Country's name is France. Question if asked, One Ocean Summit took place in which country? So the answer will be France. And this summit took place between 9 to 11th of February in 2022. Highly important, mark this. First question, what is the location of the One Ocean Summit? If Brest option is given, then Brest, Brittany, or if country asked, then it will be France. Highly important, and it was conducted on 9, 10th and 11th of February. One Ocean Summit, which was organized by France, was held from 9 to 11th of Feb in Brest, Brittany, France, in cooperation with the United States and with cooperation with United Nations and World Bank. That means this exercise was jointly conducted by basically France, the country that hosted it, with the help of World Bank and United Nation. The One Ocean Summit was held in the context of the French presidency of the Council of European Union with the support of United Nations. That means the host country was France, and World Bank and United Nations also helped them to hold this or to organize this One Ocean Summit. Now what was the objective? It is to mobilize the international community to take tangible action toward preserving and supporting healthy and sustainable ocean system, to make our oceans more eco-friendly and to clean the oceans. This was the main objective, or you can say the goal of this summit was to raise the collective level of ambition of the international community on marine issues and translate our shared responsibility to the ocean into tangible commitments. Also, you should know that plastic, as we know, plastic is non-degradable. That means it will remain forever. So if plastic is into the ocean, we can see many plastic bottles are into the oceans. Even the plastic that we carry back, that we use as a plastic, are also deposited, or you can say disposed of, in the ocean, that are consumed by many marine life, even especially by fishes or even the whales. So when they are consumed by those animals, then they won't be digested in their stomach, and eventually that will lead to the death of that particular animal. So this is a pollution, as carbon is a pollution in the atmosphere. Similarly, you can say the plastic is a pollution into the ocean that need to be treated urgently. PM Modi has addressed the summit Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually addressed the high-level segment of One Ocean Summit on 11th of February. The summit was also addressed by several heads of the states and the government including Germany, UK, South Korea, Japan, Canada and among others. 80% of the seabed to be mapped by 2030. Important question will be asked, what percent? So 80%. How much percent of seabed will be mapped by 2030? 80%. Or 80% of the seabed is to be mapped by what year? What is the targeted year that will be mapping the seabed by 80%? It will be 2030. On the occasion of this One Ocean Summit, UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, has pledged to have at least 80% of the seabed mapped by 2030. So who is pledging to map the seabed? It is pledged by UNESCO, first thing. All right. As of now, only 20% is mapped, but the target is to map 80% by 2030. And this is for understanding the ocean faults, the working of the ocean currents, tides, and the transport of sediments that take place beneath the, or you can say on the surface of the ocean. The UN agency called for mobilization of the 150 states of the Intergovernmental Oceanic Commission and the private sector to carry out this exercise. In 2017, UNESCO joined forces with the Nippon Foundations of Japan's and Japan Target for Private Foundation to launch the Seabed 2030 program. Coming back, if I ask you which country pledged to map the seabed by 2030, it is UNESCO. What percent? It is 80%. All right, mark this. Then ocean education in school curriculum, if we start improving or if we start adding this awareness to the early ages of the children, then they will have more awareness and they will have more uh, awareness about saving and not destroying and by not polluting the oceans or even in the nearby areas of the ocean. As we know, if the beaches are also polluted, that will somehow or directly or indirectly impact the marine life, lichens, algae and many other marine life near the beach or the in the ocean will be definitely affected by this plastic pollution. So to create awareness, open education over ocean education in school curriculum should be included. UNESCO has announced it has set itself the goal of including ocean education in the school curriculum of its 193 member states by the year 2025. UNESCO unveiled a common repository of educational content for the policymakers and curriculum developers to achieve the goal of ocean education. The good practices of the member states who are already working on the ocean education, such as Brazil, Canada, Costa Rica, Kenya, Portugal, and Sweden, were highlighted by UNESCO. I also remember an important, that is COP27. This will be held in November 22, and the country that is hosting the COP27 is your Egypt. Can you tell me currently COP26 was hosted by which country? Name the country. This is your homework. We have done this multiple times. All right, and some recent related news to this was Intergovernmental Committee, that is your IGC of UNESCO's 2003 Convention on Safeguarding the Intangible Cultural Heritage. Let me clarify. If we are asking, recently UNESCO has added what in their intangible cultural heritage list. So remember Durga Puja. What is intangible that cannot be touched? So Durga Puja is a festival. It is a vibe, you can say. Alright. So this festival you cannot touch. So Durga Puja was added to the intangible cultural heritage list of UNESCO, and this Durga Puja is observed in Kolkata. Alright. Highly important. Mark this. So friends, this was our session. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like our video, and your suggestions are very valuable to us. If you will comment us and tell us what are your suggestions, how much you liked our video, what are you expecting from us, so that we can in future come up to your expectations and do the needful and helpful to all the participants so that they can score better in their upcoming government exams.
Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support at the rate of affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.